Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics fast. Look at the router LEDs and make sure the power adapter is truly plugged into a live outlet. Once done, unplug power, wait 30 seconds, and plug back in to force a full restart. You should also inspect the WAN cable connection and, if possible, swap in a known good Ethernet cable to rule out a bad cord. Make sure to verify ISP outage status on your phone so you know whether the problem is local or upstream. You log into the router's web interface using the local IP shown on the label, then navigate to the WAN status page to see if you have a public IP or link errors. Next, force your device to release and renew its DHCP lease so it requests a fresh IP. Run a ping to 8 and a trace route to the ISP gateway to spot where packets stop. If advanced features like carrier-grade NAT, IP6 transition, or an aggressive firewall are on, temporarily disable. If prior steps fail, back up your router config and perform a factory reset. Then reapply PPPoE or static IP settings the ISP requires. Once reset, power cycle the modem and then the router to re-establish sync. If it still shows connected without internet, call your ISP with the router's MAC, WAN logs, and your traceroute output so they can check provisioning. As a final troubleshooting tip, bypass the router and connect a laptop directly to the modem to confirm whether the fault is the router or upstream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.